Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And while this last video on the same subject was kind of loading, I mentioned that a lot of people might not be aware of this style of text-to-path, which I don't particularly like, but it has it. And I'm not, for the person I'm doing the video for, I'm not knocking that. If you like that, everybody's got their artistic eye. But let's just take this and just show you the difference. And let's go to text-to-path and put it there. As always, you got to mirror it to make it right. That's a standard way to do it, but there's different. I mean, look at that. It changes the letters completely. I have a lot of trouble sometimes getting it back to read basketball because of that. And so a lot of times what you're going to have to do is take the basketball and go and mirror it backwards to use that type of text-to-path, put it there, and then use this one right here at the bottom and then mirror it. That's what she used, I'm guessing, and I guess it's got its purpose. I just don't particularly like it. I mean, it's kind of growing on me, I guess. But I was thinking if you got Boston, the basketball should be like the other one. But that's my certain opinion. So that's how to orientate. And if you ever get there and you want to look at it, you can go, let's click on the text and go up to text. And, well, I guess we'll have to actually break them apart. Go up to object and break text apart. Then grab the text, and if you want to start over, you can go to text, straighten text, and it'll put it back where it was. And then you don't have to, you don't have to mirror it or do anything when you're doing normal text-to-path. And there's like 5 choices, so you can look at them. But sometimes you'll have to do what I did as far as reversing them. There's that. If you look at them, that versus that, it's hard for me to click and see. Let's see what the difference is. Not much in that, but this here kind of breaks it up, puts them closer together. That's not a bad one, but that's one of the ones that that is maybe the one she used. That looks pretty unique, pretty good. It actually looks like it's kind of going around the circle a little better. Anyway, just some ideas. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.